Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. An airplane traveled from New York City to Los Angeles. The airplane traveled 3,980 kilometers in 5 hours and 24 minutes. Work out the average speed of the airplane, giving your answer in kilometers per hour, correct to the nearest whole number. We can write this as 3,980 divided by, since 1 minute is simply 1/60th of an hour, we multiply 24 times 1 over 60. We simply get 24 over 60 hours. So 5 plus 24 over 60 hours. We put this into a calculator. 3,980 divided by 5 plus 24 over 60. Our answer is 737.03. And we find the answer correct to the nearest whole number. So we simply write 737. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.